Trillanes and Nicolas Torre, I extend this challenge. This is the deal. Substantiate your claims that PRRD owns the KOJC chopper and plane. Present irrefutable ownership documents and legal proof here today. If you succeed, they are yours. But if you fail, as we expect, you have to go to Davao City. Cleanse the airplane hangar yourselves with your tongue. Deal? And why are we here again? Because in a media interview, ang sabi kasi ni Senator Trillanes, sabi niya, ang na-uncover namin yung mga private jet or helicopter na binibili ni Pastor Kibuloy, sa kanya yun, kay Duterte. Kasi, pag titingnan mo, mas madalas pa siyang gumamit kaysa sa true owner, kaysa kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Kailan niya ito sinabi? April 27, 2026, sa interview niya kay Karen Davila sa Head Start. Now, bakit kami kailangang rumispondi dito? Kailangan naming rumispondi dito kasi napakabigat po ng kanyang akusasyon. He is practically accusing my client, yung aming minamahal na pastor, no, na siya po ay guilty ng violation ng AMLA law. And in conspiracy pa siya ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Alam mo, yung violation na yan under the AMLA law, may imprisonment yan, 4 to 7 years yan. Tsaka, meron pa niyang forfeiture of the assets. Not only that, the public officer who will be pronounced guilty will suffer either temporary or full disqualification to hold public office. Imagine that. That is a very grave accusation. So we are here because he is imputing a crime against KOJC as well as Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.